How to start a dual camera recording video on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the more button at the bottom here. And from the pop-up, select dual recording, this button right here. So tap on that. Next, tap on the selection box at the bottom here. That's the four square, so tap on that. From here, you can select which camera lens to use. So we have the front, ultra wide, we've got wide and telephoto. So here, if you select ultra wide and tap on OK, we got ultra wide here. So we've got ultra wide. So this camera here, I'll just place something under the camera so you can see. So we've got ultra wide, and then you've got the standard back camera. Here we've got telephoto, and tap on OK. So we've got telephoto right there. And if you want to select both front and back, then select both front and back. So we've got both front and back. Here you can switch it back and forth. And I'll select a standard photo. Okay, this one's zoom in a little bit, so see if I can zoom out. So this one here is zoom right in. So I don't want these settings because it's too close. So I'll go back out, I'll change it, and then tap on OK. So still not right. Just see if I can select telephoto. So that switches to that one there. So this settings here is for the small camera. Every time I do that, it just seems to be zooming in more and more. So I'll close that and start again. So go back out. Here we go back out. Maybe I'm just too close to the camera. Here we go back and start the camera, tap on more, then tap on dual recording. And I'll select wide, tap on OK. Okay, so still zooming right in on that one. So I select a different mode, ultra wide. Okay, so that's better, but the front camera is not what I wanted. So I'll select the front. So you can see you need to play around. I think there are some bug or some issues causing that to happen. But you can see that if you just play around with the settings by selecting different options, you can fix the zooming issues. And here we can then tap on the record button to start recording. And that's it. So that's how you can record with both camera dual recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now you can also set a shortcut for that as well. So here on the home screen, I'm just going to remove that widget. So touch and hold on the home screen, then tap on widgets. And here if we scroll down and tap on camera, and then select a widget size. Here I will select a small size and I'll drag it and I'll place it on the home screen. And here touch and hold on the widget, then tap on settings. After that, tap on starting mode and then choose dual camera. So tap on dual recording and tap on the back key. Here you can choose to start to use watermark or not. You can choose where to save your videos to. So here I can select video album, and you can give it a title and then tap on saved. Okay, so if you tap on that, that will start the camera in dual recording mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe.